Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Geography Guru. This is the fourth episode of class 12th Geography chapter number 2, World Population, Distribution, Density and Growth. In the previous episode we discussed about the various aspects of population growth such as actual growth, natural growth, positive growth and negative growth. In this fourth episode we are going to discuss about the components of population change, as we have already studied about the population change. Population change means when the population of a particular place increase or decrease, that is known as population change. Three factors are responsible for population change. Let's discuss about all these three components of population change. There are the three components of population change. It means that population change occurs due to all these three factors. इन तीन कारणों से population में change आता है, whether it is decreasing or whether it is increasing. First one is the birth, second one is the death and third one is the migration. First of all we will discuss about the births. The crude birth rate, in Hindi we call it the शुद्ध जन्म दर. Crude birth rate, it is expressed as number of live births in a year per thousands of women. It is calculated as CBR, crude birth rate, BI divided by the P multiplied by 1000. CBR means crude birth rate, BI here means the live births during the year, and P means mid-year population of the area. So in this way we can calculate the crude birth rate of that particular area. So this is the first component of population change. When the child take birth in that particular area, किसी भी एरिया में जब किसी बच्चे का जन्म होगा तो क्या होगा, जनसंख्या बढ़ेगी, बढ़ा तो जनसंख्या में चेंज हुआ. सो दिस इज द पॉजिटिव चेंज, पॉजिटिव ग्रोथ हुई वहाँ पर. सो दिस कंपोनेंट ऑफ पॉपुलेशन चेंज दैट इंक्रीज द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर एरिया. इसके कारण जनसंख्या बढ़ती है. सो वी कैन से दिस वन इज द पॉजिटिव कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ पॉपुलेशन चेंज. सेकेंड वन इज द डेथ. Suppose that two person dies due to their old age के कारण दो person की death हो गई. Okay, what will happen? The total population of that particular area will decrease. And as we have discussed that if the population of any place increase or decrease, it is population change. बढ़ते या घटते तो वो population change है, बदलाव तो हुआ ना उसमें. So death is the second component of population change. Death rate plays an active role in the population change. Population growth occurs not only by increasing birth rate. जब हम population growth की बात करते हैं, positive growth की बात करते हैं, कितनी ज़्यादा किस रेट से population बढ़ेगी, वो सिर्फ birth rate के ऊपर डिपेंड नहीं करता. It also depends on death rate too. Death rate plays an active role in population change. Population growth occurs not only by increasing birth rate but also due to the decreasing death rate too. CDR crude death rate है. How we can calculate this CDR? CDR it can be calculated D divided by P multiplied by 1000. Here the CDR means crude death rate, D means number of deaths in that particular area, particular year, and P means the estimated mid-year population of that year and multiplied by 1000. So in this way we can calculate the CDR or the death rate. So this is the second component of population change. By and large mortality rates are affected by the region's demographic structure, social advancement and levels of its economic development. कहाँ पर कितनी डेथ रेट रहेगी? इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द डेमोग्राफिक स्ट्रक्चर टू. इफ एनी रीजन और कंट्रीज पॉपुलेशन देर इज ए लार्ज नंबर ऑफ ओल्ड एज पीपल, सो नेचुरली देर विल बी द हाई डेथ रेट. एंड इफ देर इज द लो सोशल डेवलपमेंट और लो इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट, देयर वी माइट हैव द हायर डेथ रेट्स. वहाँ पे भी डेथ रेट ज़्यादा रहने की पॉसिबिलिटीज़ रहेगी. इन डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज ड्यू टू द बेटर मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज वी हैव low death rates. So death rates depends on demographic structure. Second, it depends on the social advancement, and third, it depends on the economic development of that particular area. So far we have discussed about the two components of population change. First one is the birth rate and second one is the death rate. Third component of population change is the migration. What is this migration? Migration means the movement of people from one place to another place. लोगों का एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पर जाना migration है. For example, people move from Delhi to Agra. Delhi चले गए हैं. So this is migration. So apart from the birth and death rate, there is another way by which the population size changes, that is migration. When people move from one place to another place, the place they move from is called the place of origin, and the place they move to is called the place of destination. As we have taken the example that people move from Delhi to Agra. So Delhi is the place of origin, जहाँ से वो जा रहे हैं ये place of origin है, and where they are moving, that is the place of destination. People are moving from Bihar to Maharashtra or Bihar to Mumbai. So Bihar is the place of origin. यहाँ बिहार से जा रहे हैं तो place of origin है, and Mumbai or the Maharashtra is the place of destination. It can be also we can say that Bihar here is the place of out migration, and Mumbai or Maharashtra is the place of in migration. The place of origin shows decrease in population, and while the place of destination shows the increase in population. अब migration जब होता है, it doesn't affect the total population of the country. If the people are moving from Bihar to Maharashtra, अगर ये national migration है, internal migration है, so it doesn't affect the total population of the country. Same रहेगी. For example, you are in the A section, and if you are moving from A to B section, the total strength of the school will remain the same रहेगी. But it will affect the total population of these two places. बिहार की कम होगी, the population of the Bihar will decrease, and the population of Mumbai will increase. Same, A से आप B में जा रहे हो, the total strength of the A will decrease and the total strength of the B will increase. So it doesn't affect the if the migration is within the country, अगर देश के अंदर है, it doesn't affect the total total population of the country, but it will affect the population of in migration, the place of in migration, and the place of out migration. Migration may be interpreted as a spontaneous efforts to achieve a better balance between the population and the resources. Migration क्यों होता है? People migrate from one place to another place for the better living standard, for the better opportunities, for the better facilities, and it can be said that, इसको हम ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं, it is an effort to achieve a better balance between the population and resources. People move from one place to another place. कहाँ move करते हैं? Where the resources are in large amount, where the plenty of resources are available, जहाँ संसाधन अधिक होते हैं वहाँ है. तो through the migration people try to balance between the resource and the population के बीच में balance बनाने की कोशिश करते हैं. Okay, migration it can be of many types. कई type का हो सकता है migration. It can be permanent migration, it can be temporary, it can be seasonal. Permanent migration, for example, one family from a village shifted to Hisar shift हो गए permanently for forever. So this is permanent migration. Okay, or one family from Punjab shifted from Punjab to Canada, so that too is a permanent migration. It can be temporary too. Temporary भी हो सकता है. For example, students, all the students, you visit school daily, but for few hours. So this is the temporary migration. Teachers, these two are the temporary migrants. ये temporary होता है, कुछ time के लिए होता है. So it can be permanent migration, it can be temporary. Temporary migration can be of various types. कई type का हो सकता है. It can be daily, like that of students, teachers. It can be weekly. Some people work in Delhi NCR and they visit their home on the weekdays. So it can be daily, it can be weekly, it can be half monthly, fortnightly, it can be monthly, it can be 3 monthly, it can be yearly, etc. Okay, so temporary migration or permanent migration भी हो सकता है. It can be seasonal too. Sometimes the people move from one place to another place according to change in the season. As you have discussed in history class 9th that all the nomadic herders, they move from one place to another place according to change in the season, like that of Gaddi and Gujjar or Bhotia Gujjar community. These are the pastoral communities. They move on the upper side of the hilly area during the summer, and during the winter they move downwards. Same the Raika community and the Bhil community of Rajasthan too, they also move from one place to another place according to change in season. So migration can be permanent, migration can be temporary, migration can be seasonal. It can be national or international too. ये नेशनल भी हो सकता है, इंटरनेशनल भी हो सकता है. इफ़ द माइग्रेशन इज़ विद इन द कंट्री, दैट इज़ द नेशनल माइग्रेशन. पीपल मूव फ्रॉम बिहार टू दिल्ली एनसीआर, बिहार टू गुजरात, दैट इज़ नेशनल माइग्रेशन. If the people are moving from one country to another country, this is international migration. People move from Nepal to India, Bangladesh to India, India to Australia, India to New Zealand. This is international migration. It can be expressed as in migration or out migration too. इसको इन और आउट भी कह सकते हैं. इफ़ द पीपल मूव्स इन दिल्ली में आ जाते हैं, दैट इज़ द इन माइग्रेशन. एंड इफ़ द पीपल आर मूविंग आउट फ्रॉम दिल्ली, दैट इज़ द आउट माइग्रेशन. तो माइग्रेशन कैन बी क्लासिफाइड एज परमानेंट, टेम्परेरी, सीजनल, नेशनल, इंटरनेशनल, इन माइग्रेशन, आउट माइग्रेशन. It may take place in 4 directions. If we discuss about the directions of the migration, 4 directions हो सकते हैं इसकी. From rural to rural areas, that is R to R migration, R to U migration from rural area to urban area, U to U migration from urban area to urban area, and U to R migration from urban area to rural area. So there can be 4 directions of migration. 4 तरीके से हो सकता है. From rural area to rural area, R to R migration. From people, if the people move from one village to another village, they migrated from one village to another village, that is the R to R migration. If the people migrate from rural area, village to city, that is the R to U migration. If the people move from one place to one city to another city, that is the U to U migration. And if the people migrate from urban area to rural area, as we have seen in the COVID-19 pandemics, many people from Delhi NCR, they shifted back, they migrated back to their own places or own villages. So that is the U to R migration. So migration can be in 4 directions, 4 directions में हो सकता है. Do you realize that the same person is both an immigrant and emigrant? Same person can be in migrator or can be out migrator. In भी हो सकता है और out भी हो सकता है, एक ही व्यक्ति. Migrants who move into a new place are called immigrants. नई जगह पे गया, फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिल्ली में कोई बाहर से आया, तो दैट इज़ द इमिग्रेंट्स, दैट इज़ द इन माइग्रेटर. एंड सेम पर्सन फॉर बिहार, दैट इज़ द आउट माइग्रेटर. सो सेम पर्सन कैन बी इन माइग्रेटर और सेम पर्सन कैन बी आउट माइग्रेटर. दोनों जगहों के लिए अलग अलग उसके लिए डेफिनेशन होगी. बिहार से दिल्ली एनसीआर आ रहा है, सो for the Bihar that person is out migrator, and for Delhi it is the in migrator. Can you think of reasons why people migrate? थोड़ा सा और जानते हैं माइग्रेशन के बारे में कि लोग माइग्रेशन क्यों करते हैं. दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ योर दिस चैप्टर कि माइग्रेशन के पीछे कारण क्या होते हैं. People migrate for a better economic and social life. There are 2 sets of factors that influence migration. 2 सेट्स होते हैं जिनके कारण लोग माइग्रेट करते हैं. फर्स्ट वन इज़ द पुश फैक्टर. पुश हेयर मीन्स खींचना, जिसके कारण लोग माइग्रेट करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई वॉन्ट टू माइग्रेट फ्रॉम हेयर. मैं कौन सी जगह पे जाऊँगा, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द पुश फैक्टर. ओके, सो पुश फैक्टर मेक द प्लेस ऑफ ओरिजिन सीम्स लेस अट्रैक्टिव. हेयर द पुल फैक्टर और पुश फैक्टर, यहाँ 2 चीज़ों की बात करें. सॉरी, मैंने पुश और पुल में थोड़ा मिक्सअप कर दिया. हेयर द पुश फैक्टर मीन्स जो धक्का दे रहे हैं, पुश जो धक्का दे रहे हैं. ओके, कि किसके कारण जाना पड़ रहा है. वाई आई एम लिविंग दैट पर्टिकुलर प्लेस, मुझे जाना क्यों पड़ रहा है, किस बात के कारण मैं जा रहा हूँ. सो दीज आर नोन एज द पुश फैक्टर. So make these push factors make the place of origin seems less attractive. For reasons like unemployment, people move from one place to another place because there is unemployment. Why the people are moving from Bihar to Gujarat or Maharashtra, Punjab, Haryana, etc.? Because there is unemployment. So unemployment is a push factor for Bihar. Poor living conditions. Some people also migrate from one place to another place due to the poor living conditions, because the place is not worth living, because they are not having the basic facilities, so they prefer to migrate, they choose to migrate, वो migrate करते हैं. So poor living condition too is one of the factor of push factor, one of push factor. Political turmoils, political unrest too. Sometimes the people have to migrate just because of the political unrest or political situation too. For example, lakhs of peoples are migrating from the Middle East Asia. Why they are migrating? Because of the civil war, from civil war in those areas. So political unrest, that too is a push factor. If there is any type of the riots, कई बार दंगे हो जाते हैं, लोग माइग्रेट कर जाते हैं, so that riot or political situation is also push factor. Unpleasant climate too. If there is a change in the climate, then they have to migrate. People sometimes migrate from the particular area, and the main reason behind that is the unpleasant climate. So that too is push factor. Natural disasters too. Due to the natural disasters such as the tsunami, such as flood, etc., people have to migrate from one place to another place. So natural disaster is also push factor. Epidemics, socio-economic backwardness. Epidemics means sometimes one or another type of the health problem arose in particular area में create हो जाती है, then they prefer to move from that particular area to another particular area में उनको जाना होता है. So that is also a push factor. Socio-economic backwardness too. If the person or a family or the people, they are feeling alienated in particular area, they are economically backward, they try to have a better life in another place. वो चाहेंगे कि कुछ दूसरी जगह पे जाया जाए, शायद कुछ चेंज हो. So due to socio-economic backwardness too, sometimes people move from one place to another place. So all these factors, ये वो factors है that make the place less attractive, जिसके कारण वो place less attractive हो जाता है. They have to migrate. So these are known as push factor. First one, unemployment. Second one, poor living conditions. Third one, political unrest. Fourth one, unpleasant climate. Fifth one, natural disasters, epidemics, socio-economic backwardness. इसमें कुछ और ऐड कर सकते हैं. Lack of education facilities. Sometimes people migrate from one place to another place to get the better education facilities. So many people, thousands, lakhs of people migrate from various parts of the country to Kota. कोचिंग के लिए जाते हैं. That too is a migration. Migration है. क्यों migration किया? Due to the lack of good education facilities. Lack of transport facility too. People have to migrate. किसी को जॉब मिली है शहर में और वहाँ पे ट्रांसपोर्ट फैसिलिटीज अवेलेबल नहीं है, देन दे हैव टू माइग्रेट इन दैट पर्टिकुलर प्लेस और नियर हिज ऑफिस और जॉब एरिया, वो माइग्रेट करेगा. सो दीज आर द पुश फैक्टर, जहाँ पे किसी चीज़ की कमी हो उसके कारण माइग्रेट करें. नेक्स्ट सेट ऑफ migration that influence the migration set of factor is pull factor. Pull factor here means, pull means खींचना, जो खींचते हैं, जो अट्रैक्ट करते हैं. Pull factor means these factors make the place of destination more attractive than the place of origin, जिसके कारण लोग वहाँ जाने के लिए तैयार होते हैं कि नहीं वहाँ पे ये बेटर है. So the pull factor makes the place of destination seems more attractive than the place of origin for reasons like better job. अब उसमें pull factor में क्या आएगा? Better job opportunities. Why the people move from rural area to urban area? Because the urban area have the better job opportunities. Why the people move from rural area to the industrial zone? Because they have the more job opportunities. So job opportunities is the one of the pull factor. Second one, better living condition. People also move from one place to another place just because of the better living condition. As you might have seen in the rural areas, the people having economically better condition, they try to move from rural area, village to urban area or the town to better living condition. That too is one of the pull factor. Third one is the peace. People prefer to live in a peaceful area. if there is political unrest, they try to move from their place to another place. Which place? Peaceful area. So peace, stability and security of life, that too is the part of peace. Property and pleasant climate too. People also prefer to live in the pleasant climate area. If there is the climate is not suitable for the people, then they move from that place to the another place that is more suitable for the human residence. Okay, so that too is a pull factor. Better education facilities, better health facilities, better transport facilities, so all these are the full factor जो खींचते हैं कि वहाँ से यहाँ क्यों आए. अगर हमसे पूछा जाए कि हम मूव करना है तो हम जहाँ पर मूव करें होंगे कोई ना कोई कारण होगा. बेटर जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी, better education facility, better medical facility, better living of standard, better transport facility, etc. Okay, so why the people migrate? They migrate because of two sets of factors, either because of push factor, either because of pull factors. Next one, here is an activity for you. आपको एक एक्टिविटी है वो आप कर सकते हो. Observe the news items and think of some reasons why certain countries become attractive destinations for the migration. As you have seen that from India, many people are migrating from India to Canada, Australia, New Zealand, USA, UK, Germany, etc. So find out the reasons why certain countries, these countries become attractive destinations for migration. Try to find out the pull factors of these countries. Migration to cities are traditionally age and sex selective. More men of working age groups move to cities. Can you think of some reasons why 22% of migrants to Mumbai are kids? Migration particularly in developing countries, अगर हम स्पेशली इंडिया की बात करें, दैट इज सेक्स सेलेक्टिव. यहाँ पे मेल माइग्रेट करते हैं ज़्यादातर फ्रॉम रूरल एरिया टू अर्बन एरिया. Try to find out the reason why the male migrate, only the male migrate in the urban areas. Second, 22% migrants from other areas to Mumbai are the kids. Why 22% are the kids? Try to find out this reason also. That's all in this session. In this session we have discussed about the components of population change. Population में change क्यों आता है? Because of three factors: birth, death and migration. In the end, we discussed about the migration in detail, migration, kinds of migration, pull factor and the push factor. That's all in this session. Bye bye. Have a nice day.